Good afternoon, teachers and friends. Today, my name is Amolya. Today, I am gonna explain fraction. This is a whole picture of circle. This is 1/4. This is half. This is 1/3. Thank you.
Hi everyone, my name is Ashton here. I am studying in second Tulip. Today I am saying addition. Addition means putting things together. To find out the total number of involves is addition. First I am taking 5 stones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next cup I am taking 2 stones. 1, 2. Total number is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Total number is 5 plus 2, 7. Thank you.
Hi everyone. Good morning. My name is Srivita Reddy. I am studying from 5th Lotus. Today I am explaining about prime numbers, composite numbers and full prime numbers. Prime numbers. Prime numbers have only 2 factors, 1 and the number itself. Examples of prime numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, 37, 41, 43, 47, 53, 59, 61, 67, 71, 73, 79, 83, 89, 97. These are the examples of prime numbers in between 1 to 100. Now, composite numbers. Composite numbers has more than 2 factors. Examples of composite numbers are 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12, 14, 15, 16, 18, 20, 21, 22, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 30, 32, 33, 34, 35, etc. These are the composite numbers in between 1 to 50. Now, twin prime numbers. 2 prime numbers with a composite number in between are called twin prime numbers. Examples of twin prime numbers are 3 and 5, 11 and 30. These are the examples of twin prime numbers. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Addition and subtraction on a number line with the straight line with a numbers is called number line. 2 plus 3. We take 3 jumps. We start from 2. 1 jump, 2 jump, 3 jump. We get the answer 5. 5 minus 3. We take 3 jumps. Start from 5. Backward counting. One jump, 2 jump, 3 jump. We get the answer 2.
Hello friends, my name is Harshavardhan from second Tulip. Now I am going to explain magic maths in addition. See friends, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. See friends, now I'm doing addition. See. 8 plus 1 is equals to 9. 7 plus 2 is equals to 9. 6 plus 3 is equals to 9. 5 plus 4 is equals to 9. 4 plus 5 is equals to 9. 3 plus 6 is equals to 9. 2 plus 7 is equals to 9. 1 plus 8 is equals to 9. See friends, all 9s are there. See, we will count how many 9s are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. See friends, there are 10 9s. We will see you in the back session. Bye friends.
Hello everyone, I am Kshetra study in class 2 Tulip. We are by hearting tables now. Daily we will go in a funny way. I am saying 3 table by jumping. We have in 3 table we have to take 3 jumps. Okay, let us go. 3 ones are 3. 3 twos are 6. 3 threes are 9. 3 fours are 12. 3 fives are 15. 3 sixes are 18. 3 sevens are 21. 3 eights are 24. 3 nines are 27. 3 tens are 30. Thank you. Good morning all. My name is Amok Shaurya from 2nd Tulip. Now I am explaining predecessor, successor, even numbers, odd numbers. Predecessor. The number that comes just before a number is called predecessor of that number. For example, 58 is the number. 58 before number is 57. So 57 is predecessor. Successor. The number that comes just after a number is called successor of that number. For example, 58 is the number. 58 after number is 59. So 59 is successor. Even numbers. Even numbers have 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8 in ones place. 58 is the number. 8 is in ones place. So 58 is even number. Odd numbers. Odd numbers have 1, 3, 5, 7 or 9 in ones place. 59 is the number. 9 is in ones place. So 59 is odd number. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. My name is Antarip Difukon. Now I am gonna show you a maths game. My subject is maths. My topic is addition. Now let's start the game. Okay, we have 2 teams, A team and B team. We have 2 digits, ones and tens. Now let's spin it. Okay, we got 3. A team got 3 points in ones. 3. Now let's spin in tens. It got 1. 1 tens. 10 plus 3 is 13. 18 got 13 points. Now let's see for beating. Okay, now let's spin it. Beating got 8 points in ones. Now let's see in tens. Tens got 9 points. 9 tens 90. 90 plus 8, 98. Now let's write here. Thank you.
Good morning, respected ma'am, and my dear friends. I am Samyukta. I am studying in third Aster. I am explaining multiplication wheel. 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18, 6 fours are 24, 6 fives are 30, 6 sixes are 36, 6 sevens are 42, 6 eights are 48, 6 nines are 54, 6 tens are 60, 6 elevens are 66, 6 twelves are 72.
Ma'am, 12 table. Ma'am, 12 on the 12. 12 to the 24. 12 3 the 36. 12 for the 48. 12 5 the 60. And 12 6 the 72. 12 7 the 12 7 the 84. 12 8 the 96. 12 9 the 108. 12 10 the 120. 12 11 the 132. 12 12 the 144. 12 13 the 156. 12 14 the 168. 12 that's much only, ma'am. And thank you. Bye.
Hi everyone, my name is Ajasri. I'm studying first class rose. Addition on number line. Let us add 2 and 5. Stand upon 2 and 2 5 jacks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Answer is 7. Now take another 2 numbers. 1 and 7. Stand upon 1 and do the 7 jump. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Answer is yours. Thank you. Hi everyone. My name is Ajasri. I'm studying first class. Easy method of addition. I'm taking 2 numbers and 3. Take the 2 balls and put the balls and take the 3 balls. Now count the balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Answer is 5. Thank you, friends.
My name is Viyakshi. I am studying class 1. Subtraction activity. Examples 18 minus 6. I am put 18 12.
My name is Mihar Khan. I am studying first class. Right keeping a man take 5 fingers. Right after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 7 keeping a man. 7 keeping a man take 4 fingers. 7 after 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 is the answer. 6 keeping a man takes 6 fingers. 6 after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 is the answer. 8 keeping a man takes 4 fingers. 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 is the answer. 9 keeping a man takes 5 fingers. 9 after 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 is the answer.
Good morning all. This is Sujita Reddy from 7th class. Today I am going to explain you the highest common factor in easy method. For this you need a chart and draw a table like this, and these are the coins made up of color papers, and these are the number cards. Now we are going to find the HCF of 6 and 10. 6 and 10. Now take 6 coins and place it here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now take 10 coins and place it here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Now 6 is less than 10. So take 6 coins from 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now 4 is less than 6. So take out 4 coins from 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now 2 is less than 4. So take out 2 coins from 10. So the HCF of 6 and 10 is 2. Now we are going to find the HCF of 9 and 3. 9 and 3. So place 9 coins here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Now place 3 coins here. 1, 2 and 3. So 3 is less than 9. So take out 3 coins from 9. Now 3 is less than 6. So take out 3 coins from 6. So the HCF of 9 and 3 is 3. The HCF of 6, 10 is 2 and HCF of 9, 3 is 3.
Good morning. LCM. LCM full form is lowest common factor. Multiples means the product of a number. This is the multiples of 1 to 10 numbers. Now for example, we take 2 and 3 multiples. Multiples of 2 is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, etc. Multiple of 3 is 3, 6, 9, etc. The LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. Why? Because in these two multiples 6 is common. Now we will see the working model of LCM. Now we are going to see the working model of LCM. This is the working model of LCM. Now we will take the examples of 2 and 3. Okay, first we have to take the thread and we have to take the multiples of 2. 2, 4, 6, and these are the multiples of 2. Now the multiples of 3. First 3 and 6. 3, 6, 9 and 12. These are the multiples of 2 and 3. Now we have to see the what are the common in this 2. That is going to be the LCM. The LCM of 2 and 3 is 6 and 12. Why? Because 2 are joining in this and this, 6 and 12. The two multiple thread is joining to the 6 and 12. 3 multiple thread is joining to the 6 and 12. We can know this easily, and this is the working model of LCM. We can know how to find the LCM in this by this working model. This is my working model. Thank you.
My name is Shiva. I am from 4th Hibiscus. I did one activity on the occasion of Maths Day. We celebrate Maths Day on December 22nd every year because of Srinivasa Ramanujan birthday. He is a great Indian mathematician. The number 1729 is famous as Ramanujan number. I am going to explain my maths activity. This is a magic triangle. Fill the circles with 1 to 9 numbers. Use one number on one time only. In this, we have to follow one logic. That is, if we add numbers one side, we should get 17 only. Can you arrange the numbers? Now I will show you one way. 2, 8, 4, 3, 7, 6, 1, 9, 5. Now, 1 plus 9 is 10, 10 plus 5 is 15, 15 plus 2 is 17. Now we will see this row. 3 plus 4 is 7, 7 plus 8 is 15, 15 plus 2 is 17. Now we will see this row. This row. 3 plus 7, 3 plus 7 is 10 plus 6 is 16, 16 plus 1 is 17. This is one way how to do magic triangle. We can do in other triangle and square also. Thank you.
Good morning. LCM. LCM full form is least common multiple. Multiple means the product of a number. This is the multiples of 1 to 10 numbers. Now for example, we take 2 and 3 multiples. Multiples of 2 is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, etc. Multiple of 3 is 3, 6, 9, etc. The LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. Why? Because in these two multiples 6 is common. Now we will see the working model of LCM. Now we are going to see the working model of LCM. This is the working model of LCM. Now we will take the examples of 2 and 3. Okay, first we have to take the thread and we have to take the multiples of 2. 2, 4, 6, and 2. These are the multiples of 2. Now the multiples of 3. First 3 and 6. 3, 6, 9 and 12. These are the multiples of 2 and 3. Now we have to see the what are the common in this 2. That is going to be the LCM. The LCM of 2 and 3 is 6 and 12. Why? Because 2 are joining in this and this, 6 and 12. The two multiple thread is joining to the 6 and 12. 3 multiple thread is joining to the 6 and 12. We can know this easily, and this is the working model of LCM. We can know how to find the LCM in this by this working model. This is my working model. Thank you.
Good evening, ma'am. My name is Gauri Deepa. Today I am going to explain about multiplication tricks. I will explain two tricks, that are multiplication with two-digit number and multiplication with 11. First, I will teach the multiplication with two-digit numbers. First, we should do multiplication with tens place and tens place. That is, 4 multiplied by 2 is 8. And 3 multiplied by 1 is 3. We should give some space here because another digit will come here. And now we should do these two digits. That is, 3 multiplied by 2 is 6. And 4 multiplied by 1 is 4. We should do the addition of these two numbers. We will get the answer 10. We should write the 10 as it is here, and we should write 0 here and 1 carry over to the next place. And we should write here 0 and 3 as it is, and 8 plus 1 is 9. The answer is 903. Next, multiplication with 11. We should do multiplication with 785 multiplied by 11. We should write the first digit as it is, that is 7. And 7 plus 8 is 15. 5 here and 1 as carry over here. And next, we should do addition with these two numbers. 8 plus 5 is 13. We should write 3 here and 1 carry over here. We should write the last digit 5 as it is. And we should find the number, that is 35 as it is here. And 5 plus 1 6. 7 plus 1 8. The answer is 8635. These two tricks are very easy, and we can do any numbers with 2 digit and 3 digit. Thank you.
Hi everyone, I am Tejaswini of class 9. Today I am going to say about statistics, a study of dealing with collection, presentation, interpretation and analysis of data is known as statistics. There are two types of data. They are primary data and secondary data. Data of collection from first hand is known as primary data. Data collected from the source which had been already stored is known as secondary data. Class interval, the size of class into which a particular day is divided. Class width is nothing but it is equals to upper limit minus lower limit. Sum of all observations divided by number of all observation is known as average. X bar is equals to sigma xi fi and divided by fi. Mostly occurring observation is known as mode. Value of middlemost observation is known as median. Median is equals to n plus 1 by 2. And histogram, like bar graph only, but it is used for continuous class intervals. Area of each rectangle is equals to alpha frequency of a variable and width is equals to its class interval. And here is another way that we can use for quantitative data and its frequency. It is known as frequency polygon. Here is the example for histogram. I took corona cases graph in the month of May all over the country, and here is the histogram for frequency polygon. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Today I am going to explain about lattice multiplication. Lattice multiplication is an easy method to do multiplication and addition. So first we need to draw a big square and then we need to divide it vertically and then horizontally. Now we have 4 boxes. In the 4 boxes we need to draw diagonals. Now I have taken example which is 36 into 45. So we need to write 36 here and 45 here. Now 6 fours are 24 and 4 threes are, which is 3 fours are, is equals to 12. Now 5 6 are is 30 and 5 threes are is 15. Now we need to do addition. We have no number to do addition with 0, so we can keep 0 aside. Now 5 plus 3 is equals to 8 and 8 plus 4 is equals to 12. So we can't write 12 directly, so we need to underline 2 and circle 1, and we should carry over 1 to the next place. Now 1 plus 2 is 3 and 3 plus 2 is 5, but we have a carryover which is 1, so we need to add 5 plus 1, that is 6. Now there is no number to add with 1, so we can keep 1 aside. The answer will be 1 6 2 0.
My name is Navalina, studying in Taj Jasmine. My school name is Vivekananda Residential School.
My name is Kritika. I am studying in Taj Jasmine. My school name is Vivekananda Residential School.
2 1 2 2 4 2 6 2 4 8 2 5 10 2 6 2 2 7 2 7 14 2 8 16 2 9 18 2 9 20. My sister is telling about tree table.
3 1 3, 3 2 6, 3 3 9, 3 4 12, 3 5 15, 3 6 18, 3 7 21, 3 8 24, 3 9 27, 3 10 30. Other is telling about 4 table.
4 1 4 4 2 8 4 3 12 4 4 16 4 5 20 4 6 24 4 7 28 4 8 32 4 9 36 4 10 40. My sister is telling about 5 table.
5 1 5, 5 2 10, 5 3 15, 5 4 25, 5 1 5 1 5, 5 2 10, 5 3 15, 5 4 25, 5 25, 5 6 30, 5 6 5 7 35, 5 8 40, 5 9 45, 5 10 50. My brother is telling about 6 table.
6 1 6, 6 2 12, 6 3 8, 6 4 24, 6 5 30, 6 6 6 7 42, 6 8 48, 6 9 54, 6 5 6 10 60. My sister is telling about 7 table.
7 1 7, 7 2 14, 7 3 21, 7 4 20, 7 1 7. 7 1 7, 7 2 14, 7 3 21, 7 4 28, 7 5 35, 7 6 42, 7 7 49, 7 8 56, 7 9 63, 7 10 70. My brother is telling about 8 table.
8 1 8, 8 1 8, 8 2 16, 8 6 4, 8 4 30, 8 4 32, 8 5 40, 8 6 48, 8 7 58, 56, 8 9, 8 8 just 84, 64, 8 9 72, 8 10 80. My sister is telling about 9 table.
9 1 9, 9 2, 9 1 9, 9 2 18, 9 3 21, 9 4 9 4 36, 9 5 45, 9 6 54, 9 7 63, 9 8 72, 9 9 81, 9 10 90. My brother is telling about 10 table.
10 1 10, 10 2 20, 10 3 30, 10 4 10 4 40, 10 5 50, 10 6 60, 10 7 70, 10 8 80, 10 9 90, 10 10
Morning everyone, myself Ritik. I am from third Lodal Nang. Now I am going to explain fractions. Circle is divided into six equal parts. 2 parts are shaded. So the fraction of the shaded parts are 2 by 6. Triangle is divided into 2 equal parts. 1 part is shaded. So the fraction of the shaded part is 1 by 2. Square has 4. Square is divided into 4 equal parts. 2 parts are shaded. So the fraction of the shaded part is 2 by 4. Rectangle has 8 divided parts. 4 parts are shaded. 4 equal parts are shaded. So the fraction of the shaded part is 4 by 8. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. My name is Snigdha. I am from 5th Lotus. Now I am going to explain you about 2 methods. Those are factory method and division method. In factory method, in this method, we factorize a composite number until we get all prime factors. Factor means number. We take example for this method equals to 84. So let's do that. 84. 2 42s are 84. And here, as this 2, we should not take 2 on the 2. 2 is prime number as it has only one factor. It is 2 on the 2. So, write this 2 as it is. When we are doing another step here side, again we have to write it as it is. So, 220 was a 42. And 2 is a prime number as we saw here. 2 you write directly again and next you see about 21. 3 7s are 21. So we have to stop this method up to now. But why? Because 2, 2 and 2, 3 and 7. These are prime numbers. Here we saw that a composite number until we get all prime factors. We end when we get all prime factors, means prime numbers. 2, 3 and 7 are prime numbers. So here, next you have to multiply these numbers. 2 only one time. Here we got 2 times. So we have to multiply 2 times. 2 into 2 into 3 into 7 equals to 84. Our question is also 84. Is good. If we get the answer 84, it's the correct method we did. If we did not get, it is not the correct method. And now let us go to division method. In this method, we start dividing and end when we got 1. Example, here also we take the same example 84. 2 42s are 84, same number. 2 240 to the 84. Next, again, first we have to start with 2 table. You search in 2 table. If it is there in 2 table only, you do with 2 table. If it is not there, you go to 3 table. But first of all, we should see in 2 table only. 240 to the 84, 221 the 42, 37 the 21, 7 1 the 7. When we got here 1, we have to stop it. Next, as it is here prime numbers, those are prime numbers are not, here also we have to multiply them. 2 into 2 into 3 into 7 equals to 84. Here also it's the correct number. So it is also correct method. Division method and factoring method. I think all understood this. And here we can know one thing with this methods. In this methods, we can know easily and we can identify it easily that which are prime numbers and which are composite numbers. For that, these two methods can be helped. Thank you. I think all you understand it. Thanks. Have a nice day.
Myself, B. Srishana. I am from 8th Lotus. Today I am going to say about mathematics in our day-to-day life. Mathematics is a methodical application of matter. It is so said because the subject makes a man methodical or systematic. Mathematics makes our life orderly and prevents confusion. Mathematics is the cradle of all creations without which the world cannot move an inch. Be it a cook or a farmer, a carpenter or a mechanic, a shopkeeper or a doctor, an engineer or a scientist, a musician or a magician. Everyone needs mathematics in their day-to-day life. Even insects use mathematics in their everyday life for existence. Snails make their shells, spiders design their webs, and bees build hexagonal combs. There are countless examples of mathematical patterns in nature's fabric. Anyone can be a mathematician if one is given proper guidance and training in the formative period of one's life. A good curriculum of mathematics is helpful in effective teaching and learning of the subject. Thank you and happy National Mathematics Day.
Good morning everyone. My name is Smita. I am from 5th Lotus. Now I am going to explain you about two methods. Those are factory method and division method. In factory method, in this method, we factorize a composite number until we get all prime factors. Factor means number. We take example for this method equals to 84. So let's do that. 84. 242 is 84. And here, as this 2, we should not take 2 on the 2. 2 is prime number as it has only one factor. It is 2 on the 2. So, write this 2 as it is. When we are doing another step here side, again you have to write it as it is. So, 221 is 42. And 2 is the prime number as we saw here. 2 you write directly again and next you see about 21. 3 7 are 21. So, we have to stop this method up to now. But why? Because 2, 2 and 2, 3 and 7. These are prime numbers. Here, we saw that a composite number until we get all prime factors. We end when we get all prime factors, means prime numbers. 2, 3 and 7 are prime numbers. So, here, next you have to multiply these numbers. 2 only one time. Here we got 2 times. So, we have to multiply 2 times. 2 into 2 into 3 into 7 equals to 84. Our question is also 84. If we get the answer 84, it's the correct method we did. If we did not get, it is not the correct method. And now let us go to division method. In this method, we start dividing and end when we got 1. Example, here also we take the same example 84. 242 is 84, same number. 242 is 84. Next, again, first we have to start with 2 table. You search in 2 table. If it is there in 2 table only, you do with 2 table. If it is not there, you go to 3 table. But first of all, we should see in 2 table only. 242 is 84, 221 is 42, 3 7 is 21, 7 1 is 7. When we got here 1, we have to stop it. Next, as it is here prime numbers, those are prime numbers are not, here also we have to multiply them. 2 into 2 into 3 into 7 equals to 84. Here also it's the correct number. So it is also correct method. Division method and factoring method. I think all methods. In these methods, we can know easily and we can identify it easily that which are prime numbers and which are composite numbers. For that, these two methods can be helped. Thank you. I think all you understand it. Thanks. Have a nice day.
Hello to everyone. My name is Tiyati. I will start to live. Today is math activity. Shades. This is a square. It has 4 corners and 4 sides. All sides are equal. This is a rectangle. It has 4 corners and 4 sides. Opposite sides are equal. This is a rectangle. It has 3 corners and 3 sides. This is a circle. It not has corners and sides. It is a oval. It not has corners and sides. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Friends, I am Harshit Rao from 4th Tulip. I am showing some magic for maths. It will come online. See. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And again 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. See. 8 plus 1, 9. 7 plus 2 is equal to 9. 6 plus 3 is equal to 9. 5 plus 4 is equal to 9. 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. 3 plus 6 is equal to 9. 2 plus 7 is equal to 9. 1 plus 8 is equal to 9. See friends, all it will come 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
And friends, happy Maths Day. My name is Jasmine Kaur. I am from 3rd Aster. Today my topic is about time. What is time now, friends? The time is 7:15. The another way of saying time is 7:15. What is time now, friends? The time is 10:15. The another way of saying time is quarter past 10. Great, you got the concept of quarter past. Thank you.
Good morning friends, my name is Aradhya. I am studying in 4th Ashtar. Today I will tell about my maths project. First enter into in my project. Happy Maths Day. Let's enter into in my project. My project name is expanded form and place value. Let's take a number. It is 248. 8 in ones place, 4 in tens place, and 2 is in hundreds place. The answer is 248. Let's take another example. It is 768. 8 in ones place, 6 is tens place, 7 is in hundreds place. The answer is 768. Thank you friends for giving chance to my maths project. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.
Good morning, ma'am. My name is Unil. I am studying in Talhotel. My school name is Vivekananda Residential School. I say maths learning machine. 4 plus 6 is equal to 10. 2 into 6 is equal to 12. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. My name is Nityamahi. I am studying in 4th rows. So I want to say about Maths Expo in that division. So 18 is the dividend, 6 is the divisor. So I have 18 chocolates
In each cup, I want to keep 6 chocolates. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So it fits in 3 cups. So the answer is 3. Thank you everyone.
Hi, hello, this is Surya from 6th Tulip. Today maths day, so fun day. So today I am going to explain how to multiply a 2-digit and 3-digit numbers in square roots. So first example, 25 square root. So easy way to multiply. First we have to multiply this 5 with 5. 5 into 5 is equal to 25. So write it this side. So next 2. 2 with 2 successor we have to multiply. 2 with 2 successor is 3. 2 into 3 is equal to 6. So write 6 here. And this is first problem. Second one, 125 square root. First we have to multiply this 5 into 5. Next, this 12 with 12 successor. 12 successor is 13. 12 into 13 is equal to 156. 12 into 13 is equal to 156. And this 5 into 5, 25 here. And the answer is 15,625. Next, how to multiply 2-digit, 3-digit and 4-digit numbers in a easy manner. So this problem is applicable when we multiply any number with 9. So first we have to separate one 9 from this. For all we have to separate one 9 and left this 9 we have to write it in middle. Next, 5 into 9 is equal to 45. So 4 here and 5 here. Next, 5 into 999. Same process. We have to separate one 9 and this left 9 here. And 5 into 9, 45. We can take any number here. But which number we are multiplying with that number, it should be only 9. Next, 5 into 9,999. Separate one 9. Left 9, right here 3 9s. And 5 into 9, 45. And this. And this is a matchstick game. So we have to solve this puzzle. So let's solve it. Let's start it. So first this. We have to make 2 moves and we have to get it outside. So I'm moving 1, 2. So it has been came out first. And second one, we have to make 3 moves and we have to make 3 equal triangles. 1, 2 and 3. 3 equal triangles. Here also we have to make 3 moves and make 3 equal triangles. Here 1 is over and goes over. Yeah, 1. Next 2. Next 3. 3 equal triangles. And these we have to make 3 moves and make 3 equal squares. And 1, 2 and 3. Next this one. We have to make 5 moves and make it 9. I'm doing it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 9. And next this. We have to solve this number and this is not equal. See, 5 plus 6 is equal 5 plus 6 plus 5 is equal to 550. Wrong. So let's correct it with one move. 545 plus 5 is equal to 550. It's correct. Thank you.